Kani kadai ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingin bat penbha.
Rengkat lang bat kari India hiburak kowe, ka Jylla Meghalaya ru haka arpan reuterik mentau naiwing araja katpra, ka Rakhe ya ka National Milk Day, ya ka bala pelong, hanong ba shalong, haka ba usembot menteri rang ba ka Jylla, uba preston tensong, ulalong kongsan, rengkat ka Jedan lang, Additional Chief Secretary ka Sarkar Jylla, KN Kumar, haka cukupor bolong ru, Commissioner ka Agriculture Production, jangkatnan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary. Haka ni kasngi la pedang buram yu kinongri masih aidon, da ka maukun ro Dairy Cooperative Society, bat la samru yu kusnam, sya kinongrem bat sya kikena skol, kibala job haki jiko baper-per, kibala pelong hasua jongkani kasngi. Ukongsan haka ni kasngi ula samru yu kadon, balapan kre dakatnan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary sya kikena skol, kibawani sya menta haka ni Rakhe haka ni kasngi.
This is the first time ever in the state of Meghalaya that we organize this day, the 26th November 2018, to celebrate the National Milk Day. And today we remember the founder of this very day in the name of Dr. from Kerala. He was the one who initiated this mission some years ago. We are reluctant to insist on children to take milk because it is adulterated, is it not? Due to adulteration. Because nowadays, wherever you go, whatever you eat, adulteration seems to be mandatory. So I wanted to tell you, I was discussing with our chairman, I said, make sure that the quality, the specification has to be strictly adhered to. If anything goes wrong, law has to intervene. Law has to prevail. And we have to do that. So therefore, friends, especially our children, when you go back home, please do one thing, insist your parents. Tell your parents, Mommy, Papa, we just came back from State Central Library. Leaders, the government has insisted us that we need to take a glass of milk every day.
Bankin Maubot anniversary, father of white revolution, National Milk Day menta kasngi, kalengi penlong celebration. Doctor wear his Korean, blapin kalabat ng ibor, wanda dairy revolution, penklanya ka dairy sector. Shimay cross, National Milk Day, National Milk Day, National Milk Day, National Milk Day. A glass of milk a day keep the diseases away. A glass of milk a day keep the diseases away. Kadon pendon kam keleng pertei, kadai jing di babhabatei, kadon calcium vitamin D, pen klan ki bet kish in ya body. Len bakadut yo bam yoshna, ki cacing bamba pun kerhai, ice cream panir uras gula, kaki makon kadoi malai. Shimyai cross, National Milk Day, berala, National Milk Day, National nhựa kamet bakot kia krat Shismi kadut klas nhựa kamet bakot kia krat Idut kong kong baba ban pro jabing ban he kiksa Idut kong kong baba ban pro jabing ban he kiksa
Ya, jadi. Baru, dah ini.